Hi guys, let's do unboxing my Anchor Mango Power Bank. First of all, thank you to Racy for purchasing this in Japan on my behalf. I really appreciate it. So, let's start. Okay. And ito pa. First time kong bumili ng power bank na mamahalin. And this is the cover. And this is the item. Oh. Sobrang nipis. Baba ko muna. May naman pa siya sa loob. So, mayroong pouch. Nice. Gusto ko yung pouch. Anchor. So, kasha. For sure, ito sa loob. There you go. Nice. And then my cord, and of course the manual. Okay. So I guess that's it. So ngayon, let's paano ba siya tanggalin? Kailangan ko bang ganito ito? Yeah, there you go. Mali ako. Yun. Yay! Try ko nga sa isang phone ko kung gagana. Gamit ko kasi itong iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's try dito sa phone na to. So, tanggalin ko muna. So, cover. Ay, cover niya. So, let's check. Ah, there you go. So, it's charging na. And, kaya niyang bitbitin, no? Kayang bitbitin ng phone. Sobrang sticky. Sobrang madikit talaga yung power bank. So, I love it. And, as you can see, it's already charging. Yay! I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching unboxing Anchor safe. Bye bye.